Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is a super simple card that you see here, and we're showcasing the Artisan Textures stamp set as well as the Butterfly Duet Punch. Super quick, super simple and really effective. Shall we get started? Move the stamp set over and move the card over there. So I'm starting with a standard C6 size card base, and that's just in thick whisper white card. And I'm going to bring in Blackberry Bliss. Now this card can easily be done with so many different colours. You don't have to use Blackberry Bliss, you can use, let's use in colours for example. You could use Fresh Fig, Lovely Lipstick, or you could use ones that are carrying over, such as Grapefruit Grove, Blueberry Bushel, Corn Clover. There's so many colours that you could swap in and out for this card. So all I'm going to do is ink this up, like so. And I'm just going to stamp that down in the bottom centre of the card, like so. And then I'm just going to ink it up again. Make sure it's fully inked. And then I'm just going to rotate it this way and just place that in the upper middle part of our card, like so. So that is that out of the way. Before I go any further, I'm going to stamp the sentiment, which is know that love, prayers and caring surround you today. So I'm just inking that up in Memento. And in the bottom, in the centre, like so. So you might notice that in our card there is actually some speckles, if I bring it in, across the card, which gives it that more arty effect. And I'm going to show you how to do that with this one. So I'm going to move the example out of the way, just so it doesn't get all inky. And as you can see, I've pulled a lot of ink by just pushing down, let's use this one, squeezing down like so. And that creates this little pool of ink. I'm going to grab my aqua painter. I'm just going to pick up the ink like so. And then using the lid, which is ridged, just go crazy. And it is that simple. I need to put that somewhere where I don't get inky fingers. Okay, and that gives you that lovely splattered effect. Well, once that's dry, you can go ahead and punch out your other piece of whisper white, which I've already done. This measures 6.5 by 6.5. And what I did was I cut a bigger piece down, so I had a longer piece of whisper white, went in with a punch, punched it, and then on our trimmer, all I did was I lined up the butterfly wings with the ruler, and that cut perfectly to 6.5 by 6.5. So let's take the dimensionals off the back. And I'm just going to place that in the centre of the card, trying to keep it straight. Isn't easy to do when you're on camera. And then I'm just going to grab some rhinestones just to finish the card off. And did you just hear me destroy my craft room? It's okay. These things happen. And I'm just going to finish it off with, I'll bring back the example, some rhinestones, like so. There. There. Put that back. And there you have today's super quick and easy yet fun card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop so you can purchase them for yourself. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super fun, quick and easy it is to make such a beautiful card. I'll see you around. Bye.